Moment had kind of a sale going on this week, so I chose to get the case, and you can choose between the blue flare or the gold flare. So I chose to go for the blue flare. So this is the lens right here. This is the case it comes in. If you're looking to get a Moment lens, you have to buy a Moment case alongside with it. Sorry, I bought the case for $45. The lens itself was, I believe, $135 US. So the total cost for both the case and the lens was around $200 Canadian. As I mentioned, I got the blue flare. You can choose between the gold or the blue flare for the anamorphic lens. So we'll just open up the case. Actually, I have no clue how to open this thing. Maybe it's from the bottom here. Nope. I know this is probably not COVID friendly, but I'll just rip it. Probably just bite it with my teeth and try to rip it. Okay, so it looks like you just have to rip the top, guys, and then it's kind of got like a sealed, like a packed, I don't know what you call it, like a seal form here. So you just kind of open it like that. And the case I got was a walnut. I believe it was called the 12 Pro Walnut Wood. Pretty nice texture to it. Looks pretty good. Like, seems like it's a pretty good quality. It's got like a nice picture here, like a safety protector. But that's pretty nice actually. Looks nice. But yeah, the case is good quality. Definitely you can use it if you're not using the lens, but you just want like a protective case for your iPhone. This is a great option for you. Yeah, it just says there, explore further, create more. So Moment is pretty good with their branding, as you can see. Small little things, little details, which is pretty nice. So beneath this case is another case. And then here is basically like your camera mount that you're gonna stick inside the hole here for the camera. So there's a little clip here. All you gotta do is just kind of clip it out. It's pretty easy. Okay guys, so on the actual case, there's a little lining here. I didn't even realize you had to take it out, but it's just a small lining around the camera hole. So it just clips out like that. Okay, so you just take the camera mount after, and then what you do is you just clip the camera mount inside the hole, inside and out. Okay, there you go, looks good. As you can see, that the bigger hole over here would be for your ultra wide camera on your iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. And then the two small holes over here would occupy your telephoto lens and your wide lens. Just take out my iPhone 12 Pro from my clear case. And you just gently slide it into the Moment case. Yep. Fits like a glove, feels awesome. Okay, and we'll just open up the anamorphic lens. Comes in a little nice box. Okay, so it looks like that, pretty neat. So we'll just take this out, and there she is. Okay, to attach the lens is pretty straightforward, guys. There is a line here at the top. So you basically just align the line here on the lens with the one at the top. And then you just basically kind of twist it to the right completely. And there you go. Okay guys, so actually I removed the lens off the camera because when I tried to see the video with the lens on, it was actually looking a bit off. What I realized is that you actually, depending on your camera, this lens cap here, you can actually move it. So because my iPhone 12 Pro has a vertical camera, this line over here should be basically in the same direction as the V. So when I got the lens, it was actually like this. So I have to move it like this. And to tighten it, There is a pouch that comes with the Moment lens, and it has like a little stick here, I guess, I don't know what to call it, but basically you just tighten it, get it in place. Just make sure you don't tighten it too much, like just a little bit of a snug tight. Yeah, that feels pretty good. And then all you do basically now is you just line up the V with the line here. So there's a V there, there's a line there, and you just kind of twist it to the right. So as I mentioned, I had to do this. I had to move the lens on the actual lens, like the lens cap on the lens, because I have a vertical phone, and that's now how it should look. So when your phone is straight ahead, the lens flare should be horizontal. It shouldn't be vertical, which I was looking like before, like that. It should look horizontally, like that. As you can see at the bottom, you do have the opening to charge the phone. And this particular case is a MagSafe case as well. So if you are looking to use the battery, the magnetic battery, it does stick to the back here. So that's a great option as well. You don't have to get the MagSafe or the Mag compatibility case. You can get the one that isn't for $10 less. I believe it's $10 or $15 less, but if that's something that you do use, you do have that option with this case. Guys, the lens does come with a pretty cool pouch here. And then it does come with a cap for the lens itself. So it just kind of fits on nice and snug like that. Has the M logo, pretty sweet. And then it does come with a little manual here. Basically what I just showed you guys, explaining the position of the lens, what position works with what type of phone, and how to adjust it on the phone. So the purpose of the Anamorphic lens blue flare, the description is basically that it's meant to give you like an early 1960s look, like a cinematic look to your phone. So it's inspired by J.J. Abrams' films. This lens gives you that brighter sci-fi looking flare when shooting into headlights, street lights, and other types of light. So it's pretty cool. It's got a very good feel to it, like it's built well. If you guys do plan to use the case while you're not using the lens, you can always just take off the camera mount clip here and put the bezel back on. So that's definitely an option for you guys if you guys are ever looking to just use the case itself. Well, that's it for this unboxing video. I am going to test out the lens and really try to see what kind of images and videos I can get from it. I do plan to make a video next week really showing what kind of results I was able to achieve and the proper ways which we can use this footage and export it if you're using Premiere Pro or Final Cut to really get you that cinematic look. Until then, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you have any questions on the lens itself, do feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll chat soon.